Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. How are you doing? I hope you are doing great.
Okay.
So we are here for a special video. Yes, today you can see we are standing in front of Pengrose sandwich.
Okay.
So today we will make video of this outlet. This is the fast food shop, and simply we will go in this shop and we will order something.
Okay.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready. Excited to make
But,
it.
but, but first of all, we have to take permission.
Okay, I understand. Otherwise, he may be call us.
Yeah,
Skull.
not scold. We will take permission. Okay, are
Okay.
you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
So please hold my camera and
Okay.
let's go.
Let's go, Kuldeep.
Really, guys, it is the first time we are going to do this activity.
Activity because
Okay.
we are
Come,
hearing
come.
from any.
Hello, sir. Sir, my name is Kuldeep. Actually, I am from UP as well. So sir, my name is Kuldeep and I am living currently in Lucknow as well.
What is this about like?
Okay. So we are just recording video and it is, we are only YouTuber. Okay, and we are just developing our communication skill. So that's why I am making this video. It is a simple video. It is
For your educational.
yes, yes,
For
yes, for
educational
educational
purpose.
purpose. So we are here for just
Is it going to be uploaded?
yes, on YouTube, on YouTube.
You can record everything. You can have.
Okay,
your-
okay, sir.
Thank you,
So
sir.
listen, sir. So I want to take your permission for recording this video.
Yeah, sure. You
May I
can.
record?
Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can.
So,
You
I
can have
will-
your meal. You can enjoy.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for giving me this
Thank you, sir.
opportunity.
Okay.
So guys, we got permission. Really, it's very amazing. So simply we will order something, okay, and I will tell you how to order anything.
Okay. Okay. They have put on the.
Where should we? Here? No, no, no. We should sit.
We can sit both side. Listen to me. We have to sit there. This side.
Listen.
Okay.
So guys, finally we got permission. Yes, guys. So it is very amazing. And this is first time of our. And simply we will order something and we will tell you how to order any fast food in any shop. So guys, the next part will come in another video. Okay guys. So be ready for watching another video. So thank you guys for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.